Minister of CAF and PD and PHED, Susindro, questioned the difference between administrative settlement and separate administration as featured in Congress election manifesto. In a press meet held at his residence at Kurai Lamlung, Minister Susindro slammed Congress, claiming that they were responsible for the current crisis. He pointed out that the agenda of political and administrative settlement in the Congress manifesto essentially the same as supporting the cookies' demand for separate administration. He also criticized Congress for pretending to care for the state while playing divide and rule policy between the hill and valley regions. Minister Susindro highlighted the 2005 SU agreement between various cookie-prescribed outfit groups and claimed that the Congress-led government under the leadership of Ibobi was aware of it back then in 2008. He then questioned Congress to explain their actions during that time. Additionally, he mentioned that Congress government has approved the Anglo-Cookie War in 2015, which is not a part of Manipuri history. However, in 2019, after the BJP-led government came to power, the same was clarified during a cabinet meeting, stating that there is no record of Anglo-Cookie War in Manipur's history. Minister Susindro advised Congress to stop deceiving public and stated that a teacher can educate a student, but Congress cannot educate public in the same way.
Congress na fanam sengthosu fanam na moinu honarasu moi manung dole ve agenda do madu hoina khangmangam meba adu na maram or kan ne hoini yaroi hais miyam na yadaba miyam na pamdaba lambi da solution to wa ba se madu sungoi oiro do wa phom ne cookie se now sin na leitawi si se semkwale se Paja miyam punong na hina khang ne sunglai leitaba war ma cookie Anglo war na moina haise 2015 da matam dugi Congress government Anglo cookie war se recognition tawke madu sasin na bada ayaba bi se kana no Congress ne aba aduna dumi line ta kuni ko aduna miyam na yabo pot tawbiba phayab miyam na yaroi do pot to tawgono haibne khoina haid aduna ne saigi history the chemjangani Congress ne ta yagani separate administration haibase siga administrative settlement haibase ka kaita khena de ana Congress na valley masung chingda sanari ba divide and rule gi policy se masi topiu masi topone na Congress ki khwaidai laiba phane ba loina mu thugai na ba hona ba topiu